What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be changing the icons on my phone. This is the 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium, and as you can see I got my very cute Snoopy case on. I got this from Casetify. I did not do an unboxing, but I will be doing a phone case collection because I have quite a few now. But I actually had this for my 14 Plus. I loved it so much I rebought it for this phone. And I just really like Casetify cases, and obviously it's MagSafe. So yeah, I'll show you guys a phone case collection very soon. But today we are going to be changing my icons. I've got these very cute Japanese snack style icons, but I have bought these very cute Shiba icons. So we're going to go for a more neutral theme to match the phone as well. So that's what we're going to do today. But before we get into that, I want to unbox this because I bought this on Amazon a while ago actually, and I just never got around to unboxing it, and I want to use it now to make this video. So what's in here? Da 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 da. Right, we got the screw. And I'm so excited. Casetify have really nice ones, but they're just so expensive. So I bought this one on Amazon instead. Ooh. So it needs to be like this. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then it's MagSafe, so the phone is just gonna go on like that. Hey, yes, line this up. Straighten it out a bit. Perfect. Love that. Love that for me. So this is the stand. I really like it. Oh my god. So much nicer than the last one I had. Love that. I'll put a link to it down below. As I said, these are my icons. I kind of forgot how to do this, but I'm going to go into shortcuts. I think I'll start from the top left. So what's my first icon? Calendar. Because I think if we do it like that, it won't be as bad. So where the hell is the calendar? Calendar, that's reminders. I'm so stupid. This one. Okay. Pressing the dots, and then I'm going to, I think I have to add it to home screen again. Yes. Queen. There we have it. Calendar. I am going to do it as I go because I feel like I'm going to get really overwhelmed if I don't. So now I can take this one off. It works, honey. Let's get some order back here. Okay, so I'm just going to go through each one and we'll see what it looks like at the end. Oh my god, it's looking so cute so far. I'm going to keep going with it and I'll show you guys when it's finished, and then we'll do the wallpapers and widgets together. Okay, so I finished doing all my icons and this is how it looks. We just need to do the wallpaper and my widgets. Customize home screen photo. This one, which I think is so sweet. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. It hides his nose. How sweet is that? It looks so clean and fresh. So this is all the icons. And then these are the wallpapers. So there's this like gingham checkered print, a completely plain one, eyes open and eyes closed. And then these are for widgets. So I think I'll stick with this for now, but I might try the others later. And the reason I want to stick with these ones is because the colour of the icons match, so it doesn't look like it has the square behind it, so that's why I'm choosing to go with that. But let's sort out these widgets. We need to go into Widgetsmith. Okay, let's see. I don't know if I like that. Ooh, that's cute. I actually really like that. Alright, which one do you prefer? Open eyes or closed eyes? And then this is the next page. This is killing the vibe. I always use that widget. Well, that's it for now. So these are my icons. I think they are perfect. They're gorgeous. They're so cute. And then this is my second page. I might change the image of this Goku one because I think I want it to be more matching, more neutral, not with the blue. And then I've got this page, and I don't like that Duolingo widget, but that's how I remember to do my thing. Yeah, I'll see what I'm gonna do about that, but I'm really happy with it so far. And I think what I'm gonna do is I will sort it all out, fix it, finalize it, and then I will do a what's on my iPhone, and we'll go through all of it, we'll check it out together. But so far that is what it looks like, and this is the case. I'm obsessed with this phone. Honestly, the color is everything. And then that's the front. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.